Coins.
Yeah.
We all know that right in this part of the world, in this climb, the coin is not really making wave anymore. So why did you choose to remind us of the coin?
My coins is still big.
Oh yes! Alright.
I can see
Alright, Mr. Coin, what's your real name?
My real name is Moody Say. I'm from Kogi State.
Your real name is Moody.
Yes, say
Moody.
yeah.
Is it Moody or Moody?
Moody. M-U-D-I.
Would you like to tell us where you're from? How?
I'm from Kogi State.
Oh, I see. So it's
Actually,
it's a
Kogi is not north, right? Kogi is not
no,
north.
it's a western
Middle belt.
Oh, I see. So welcome to your interview session. I would like to know your stage name is and the stage name is Mr. Coins. What informed the decision to take up the name?
That name, I got that name from a friend of mine because there was one time like that we do play for our times and we keep calling ourselves names. Firstly, I bear Coins, but I think I forget that Coins. I want to be sounding at least when you roll coins, when it rolls, when you want to bounce, you'll be sounding.
So you want to sound everywhere.
Everywhere.
Alright, so what kind of music do you do?
All kinds. In fact, all kinds.
You do Afro, you do hip hop,
Any kind of music you bring to me, I can push it.
I can rap.
That's fuck with.
Yeah.
You are rap artist?
Yeah.
That's right, please rap. Let's go a bit deep. How long have you been doing music?
Music.
What are you calling? Has it shown you Pepe or something?
Music. Music. I've been into music at least maybe 2026.
2026.
Yeah. When I
That's 2006.
2006. 2006, sorry. 2006, yeah.
I was thinking if you're in the future, you're seeing the future already.
2006.
You're seeing the future already.
So, that is when I was in music because there is one time like that I would play me with my friend, we always play and after ultimate, I will use music to resort them. So like that, I come to realize that
I play music.
Yes.
Middle belt. People in the middle belt are not really very promising in the area of music. I'm saying people in the middle belt are not really promising in the area of music. So how did you come about it? How do you intend to change the narrative?
But just that they are not bringing themselves out. Then I want to do that. I would really want to bring that out.
That's great. So that was why you contested in the Elegant Afromusic Talent. How did you get to hear about it?
I met Elegant via through one of my sisters husband. He was working in the hospital. Yeah, he was working in Prescott, and there is one day I visited them and he told me that this is your music. I have music on Ujuma, song that I've done before. After that time I started to look for money to forward more. So when I visited them one time, so he told me that I should try this Elegant vibe, that they are good, all everything about them is good. After maybe recording there or doing a video to see what I've done so far, then they sponsor me like that. And they said okay. Immediately I asked for the number. So after asking for the number, I called and I told them I want to be into recording I want you to sign me. I want to record in the studio. And he said okay, this is how you are going to do that. I was even sending money one time that I want to come on Sunday to come and record because he told me that maybe it's once I will come and record that Sunday. Then I said okay, no problem, because I want more time, so that by me sending that money, there is one problem that I'll was not able to do that anymore, except that now before now getting the opportunity to meet them and learn them.
So when you converse, when you were on the conversation on phone, what was your impression? And when you dropped the call, what was the impression? Do you think it was sham?
I was very happy being meeting them that I've seen one opportunity for me that is coming out with that I can grab.
All right. So this is the second person that the family seems to be supporting his musical career.
Yeah.
Remember, the first person was AK Crown.
Yeah.
AK Crown told us the father was actually the one who pushed him through in the voting process by sending him lots of money. So this is the second person who seems to be supported by the family in his musical career. How does it feel when you understand that people in your family, like your sister's husband, these people are looking up to you? They're hoping that one day you blow, you become something big like Burna Boy, something big like Whiskey. How does it feel?
They will feel happy, even more than Burna Boy, because I want to talk to him. Sean Paul.
Alright, so now you when you dropped the call, you came, you did something with Elegant, you even took part in the Afromusic talent. Now tell us, what's your experience with Elegant so far, and what are your expectations from us? Tell the viewers, what have you seen in Elegant? How do you see Elegant? Tell them, let them know.
What I'm seeing is
You'd like to speak a bit louder?
I like my meeting them. I like it. I'm happy of meeting them. I like them of meeting them. Of seeing them. I don't even think maybe I'll meet the CEO, because I was even thinking maybe this is calm. I was not like, even many people have discouraged me. Even my boss, this one, even they want to make payment, they will say, this name that is it, or this payment that is not even your account self. This is that. I was like, don't worry, bros. And I was happy. Yeah, I was happy.
Alright, so great. So you can boldly tell the viewers out there that Elegant Empire is real.
Yeah, it is real. It is not scam.
Thank you.
Because I've seen it real.
Thank you very much for your kind words. Tell us, we know that you've taken part in the competition and you came out not as the winner. Do you feel so bad about it, or does it encourage you? Stepping stone.
I'm not feeling bad. I'm feeling bad. I'm not feeling bad. Why I'm feeling bad is because I'm not the winner. And one side I'm not feeling bad because I'm seeing the rest and I'm still among the top 10. So I'm happy about that.
So in the next 5 years, we expect you expect yourself somewhere, as well as we also expect to see you somewhere. So where do you think we should see you in the next 5 years?
Not the next 5 years. Next year. By God grace. I'm going there with Elegant Empire.
Whoa.
They will say, who produce it? Who do this? I will tell them Elegant Empire.
Wow. That's very encouraging and inspiring. I can see you have so much confidence in the Elegant Empire. We thank you for that, and I'd like to know, what do you have for up-and-coming artists out there who would also want to make it big?
Becoming artists, you should keep trying, you should not relent. When you relent, you will not get where you are going. So I never relent and I never give up. So that is it.
Alright. Finally, I would like to know, your fans out there would want to reach out to you. Maybe most of them would want to invite you for 1 or 2 things. And how do they get to you? Do you have Instagram or Facebook or Twitter handle they can follow?
The only handle I use now, right now, that is special to me now is Twitter.
Yeah.
So that is Mr. Coins.
Mr.Coins and Twitter. So they will have to follow you.
Mr. Coins.
So what's your
TikTok, Mr. Coins. YouTube, Mr. Coins.
so what advice do you have for your fans out there? Probably those who dream of becoming musical artists like you. How did it start?
I will like tell them that they should like encourage themselves to meet up their target and to become also like where we are today. We started from somewhere, which most of us done that we started, that we left behind. We are here today, so they should keep trying so that they can reach where we are.
Alright, thank you very much. That was Mr. Coins! Nice having you here, Mr. Coins.